wrapping text inside a cell. In alignment group at the right top we have a command calling wrap text. What this command do? For example, we are writing CIVIL engineering, civil engineering. You see this text does not come in the cell. So we have two ways: increase the width of the cell. If we increase the width of the cell, our whole table, our whole calculation, everything get changes. So we call it wrap the text. What we do first, we select or activate that cell and come here and press wrap. So here we see our text is wrapped into 3 lines inside the cell. Okay, if we are not going to use the wrap the text, we have one more thing: merge and center. How we do it? We have text in this cell, but longer than that, or if we type something here, it will be not visible. You see here the whole text is not visible. So what we do, we are activating this cell and the next cell, going to alignment merge. Click on this and you see the 2 cells merge together and there is enough space for your writing. Here you see there are more options for merging. You do practicing these things and learn it.